digging into the investigation and how those affected are surviving. The plot to
This is a coordinated monthly test of the emergency alert system for the state of Maine. If this were an actual emergency, official information would follow the alert tones.
Where value, quality, and exceptional experience come together. So come see what it's like at the dealership you can count on. Chevrolet of Bloomsbury. Great value, great experience, every time.
After an accident, the insurance company is not your friend. They may try to pressure you into signing away your rights. That's why you call the Pennsylvania powerhouse Metzger-Wickersham first. Medical bills, lost wages, and pain and suffering. You need their resources and their experience to take on the big insurance companies and make them pay. The insurance company knows the Pennsylvania powerhouse Metzger-Wickersham. Tell them you mean business.
Attention homeowners, is it time for a new roof? Then it's time for